And for a very long time now, our conversation about farming has usually been centered on the land, the inputs, the market, and then we have very few discussions around data because data has become an asset in its own right, and many people have shied away from that discussions. But consider what happens when a farmer uses a digital platform. They typically upload pictures of themselves, pictures of their farm, of their assets, even machineries to inform what kind of farming practices would support those machineries and things like that. So AI can train on this data, create models on them, and the likes. But there are some critical gaps that needs to be addressed, and much of the problem is that most farmers have no visibility into what happened next, what happened to their data, how their data is being used behind the scenes. They some of them only get the outputs from the models, but what happened with the data, they really know where the data is being stored, who has access to it, and they have no control over it. So having control over farmer data is kind of a way of correcting that imbalance. And in practice, it rests on some few principles that needs to be addressed. And the first one is transparency.